Hello, my name is Vimal Shrestha and I'm representing Team Roadway, which include Navin Bhatrai as a Scrum Master and Ashok Shrestha, Ritika Dongol, Sarina Thapa, and me myself, Vimal Shrestha. So, Roadway is a ride-sharing application which is mainly focused on the problem in current Netflix ride-sharing platform. So, this is the setup, and I have run the admin panel in this application. So, this is the user side, and I'm going to show this is the driver section. So, without delay, I would like to quickly log in, register, and show all the features from both the side. So this is the main first screen of the application. Here we can enter the phone number. For the testing purpose, I like to enter 111 and click next. So the OTP has been sent and the OTP for the test number is set as all one. So if the OTP is correct, it will redirect to me to another screen. So I'll fill up all the field here and I'll tap the email. So when I tap register, the data will be stored in database. So this is the dashboard of the application. Here we can see the current location, the map, and the source bar. So first of all, the user is registered, and when we slide the button for the rider part, it is showing the error message that please verify to turn on the rider mode. So quickly, I would like to make this rider true by submitting the document. So for that, to become the rider, we have to go to the section and upgrade to the rider. So it's the basic fill up here. I like to pick the profile picture. So I will enter the legal name. And I'll pick the date of birth. And I will enter the permanent address. And if I tap next, the section is now completed and it will go to the another screen, which is verification step 2. So I would like to upload the image here of vehicles, and I'll enter the brand name. Color is red, sign and model number 1234 and number plate. But so I have entered all the details and I like to click the next, and the information is uploaded in the database. So this is our third step verification. We have to enter the license number, and this is the license front and back. And this is the section where we have to upload the bill book photos. So for the demo purpose, I have uploaded all the black images, and if I tap next, so the document has been submitted. It shows the message document is submitted for review, and now comes the admin part. So this is our admin, so we can verify the rider from this section. So I like to enter the email and password. So it will validate the correct username and password. If I tap the incorrect password and try to log in, the message is shown wrong password. And if I tap the correct password, so we can see the dashboard here. It shows the count of the user, and the newly added user is in unverified state. So we have submitted the document and we can verify him. So the admin has verified the user. So when we see the dashboard, and if I tap the profile section and if I switch on the rider mode, the driver is now successfully shown the dashboard of the rider, so he can get the ride. So our next part is booking a ride and completing a ride. So for that I have set up two mobile phone here. One is for user and another is for driver. So before completing a ride, I like to top up the wallet so that I can make a autocomplete to the driver. So for that I like to go to account section, and now the wallet has 20 rupees, and if I top up the wallet from the Khaldi, this is the amount which we have to enter in the Paisa. So due to the demo purpose, this is the feature from the Haldi. So I will tap the load amount, and so the OTP has been sent to phone number, and I have to enter the OTP, which is 630511, and if I tap verify, and the amount has been loaded in the wallet, so I can book a ride from the dashboard. So for that, I'll go to the another mobile phone and turn on the driver mode. So currently the driver is offline, and if I turn on the driver mode into online, it is showing request. So I can request from the user screen. So the destination will be Kalapur. So after confirming the destination, the distance is showing here, and the price is 96 rupees, and the price difference in cab and bike is shown here. So the amount is showing in Paisa. So the payment amount will be, the actual amount in rupees will convert it in the wallet section. So these are the information. So when I tap confirm ride, the request is shown to all nearby drivers, which is here. So this is the ride, and this is the pickup, and this is the drop off location, this is the price, and in the user section it is the destination, and all the offered fare by the nearby drivers will be showing here. So basically we have used a live bidding feature in this application. So user can choose the driver according to the fare and the convenience. So from the driver dashboard, I will offer the fare. So it is showing 96 offer, and it is showing in the user section too, so which is 96, and I can increase and decrease the price from here. So if I tap this plus button, 106 is updated, and if I tap minus, and it will decrease the fare. So it is showing all the information of the driver which offered the bid. So user can choose the fare according to the lowest fare. So if I tap this accept button, the ride is now accepted by the user, and the driver name is showing here, and it is showing the status is on the way. The estimation time is 1 minute, and here she can see the details and call the drivers. So in the driver dashboard, it is the information, and the ongoing ride is showing here. This is the emergency button in case there is an emergency. So the first step is here is that the polyline is created, which is small here for now. So it is based on the current location and the pickup location of the user. So when I tap arrived, the status has changed that a driver has arrived, and the polylines is created between the source and the destination, which is pickup and the destination. So when I tap start button, the status has been changed, which is ride in progress, and a user can update the live location based on their location. So I will end the trip from the driver, and the 96 rupees has been credited to the account, and user has been debited by 96 in this section. So I can confirm the ride, and this is the ride rating. So I can rate the driver according to the status and how is the trip experience, which is average, good and bad, and I can additionally write the comment about the drivers. So when I click submit, the ride has been now completed by the user. So in the driver section, so this is the earning of the driver, and the total ride completed by this driver is 18, which is showing here. And lastly, the user has rated 5 star in the previous ride, which is also showing here. So in the driver section, this is the main account section, which is now this is the verified driver. It is showing all the information and the ID, phone numbers. So we can view the KYC from this section, which is model number, color, and all the information of the drivers. So this is it for the driver part. For the rider part, this is the history. These all are the cancelled ride or completed ride, and that is showing here. So we can edit the profile from this section, and these are our reward points. So in the dashboard, there is the promotional banner here. So admin can use the promotional banner for different offers and promotional events. So the promotional events and code can be added by the user admin, which is this is the dashboard, and I've got to the promo section. So these are all the promo code which are active till now, and I can add the promo code from this section, and I'll type the description, and this is the date we have to select where promo code is valid or invalid. So this is the newly added promo code which is showing in the admin dashboard. So we can use this promo code in while getting the discount and the ride. So another next feature is we have two different mode of payment, which is hand cash and the auto payment. Auto payment we have just completed before, and for the hand cash, this is our destination page, and this is the option that we are providing in payment. So if I tap hand cash and confirm right and go to the driver section and online, so I'll offer the fare and I'll accept the trip, and I arrived. So this is the difference between auto payment and the hand cash. In auto payment, the amount will be credited from user wallet to driver wallet automatically. In the hand cash section, the user is provided with this dialog that hand cash pay the exact fare to the driver, and uh, when the user gave the hand cash to the driver, he or she can confirm the payment, and the now ride has been completed. So we can log out the user or driver from this account section. So when I click this here, the confirmation dialog will be shown like this, and if I tap the confirm, the user now has been logged out, and all the access token are cleared from the application. Source code, and these are our admin in the same section. So we have done different testing which are included in our documentation part. So thank you.